Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will provide a video about Hankotrade reviews. Is Hankotrade.com legit or a scam? So, for those of you who are looking for a way, then watch my video until the end. So that you can do it, it depends on the device you use. But before you start, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my useful videos. Hankotrade is an online forex and CFD trading platform that claims to offer competitive spreads, fast executions, and high leverage options. But is Hankotrade.com legit, or is it a scam? Let's take a closer look at the platform's features, user reviews, and credibility. What is Hankotrade? Hankotrade is a forex broker that provides trading services in multiple financial markets, including forex, commodities, indices, and cryptocurrencies. The platform promotes low commission fees, raw spreads, and fast deposit/withdrawal options. Traders can open accounts with as little as $10, making it an attractive option for beginners. Is Hankotrade legit or a scam? To determine if Hankotrade is trustworthy, we need to examine key factors such as regulation, user feedback, and transparency. Regulation: Hankotrade is registered offshore, which means it may not be regulated by top-tier financial authorities like the SEC, FCA, or ASIC. This could pose a risk for traders looking for a well-regulated broker. User reviews: online reviews for Hankotrade are mixed. Some traders appreciate the low fees and high leverage, while others report withdrawal issues and poor customer support. Trading conditions: the platform provides MetaTrader 4 and 5, popular choices among traders. However, offshore brokers sometimes have fewer legal protections for users. Hankotrade.com has a Trustpilot rating of 4.7 from 1,730 reviews, making it a highly rated trading platform. Users praise its low fees, high leverage, and smooth transactions. But is Hankotrade legit? Read our detailed review to explore its features, user feedback, and overall reliability before signing. Hankotrade may offer attractive trading conditions, but its lack of strong regulation is a concern. Before using the platform, do your research, read user reviews, and consider regulated alternatives. If you decide to trade with Hankotrade, proceed with caution and test withdrawals with small amounts first. Thank you for watching this video, and I really appreciate your feedback to improve creativity in creating positive and useful content for many people.